Hi. So, what did I do today? Nothing. I just woke up at 10 a.m. and uh, did a little research on YouTube for my report reporting work. I'm searching a subject or the subject that I can develop for my media. So I do a lot of research on YouTube or and Google to find a topics and to develop the topic, to write the topic that I already have. So I do that from 10 or no, from 11 to 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 from 11 a.m. to 3 no from yeah, that's it, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. And after that I went to the market to find something to eat and do a little shopping for cooking. After that I came back home and watch watched watched a TV shows in English called The Nanny. It's on British accent. A lot of British accent in these movies. It is a TV show. I that all. I don't do anything special in today, and I do my garbage. What did you say to garbage? Garbage. I clean my skin property with gloves and 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 soap that it mean to do garbage. So I took a shower. I took a shower, and then after that I I eat or I comment the bois. I eat. Oh, I ate some porridge, maize porridge. So that's all. Now I'm there, and tomorrow I'm going. Tomorrow I will. I expected. This is the coupure là, comment on dit ça? This is the coupure. Electricity. If they took off electricity. So tomorrow I said that tomorrow I will. I expected. I expect to wake up at 4 a.m. I expect to wake up at 4 a.m. and do a to practice my English. I plan to film a video to my for my YouTube channel, my English YouTube channel, and after filming video I'm gonna do a little exercise, 30 minutes of exercising on shadowing. After that, plan I I plan to read out loud for 1 hours. I'm gonna read some books. So actually, after turn off my camera, I'm going to search a books that I'm gonna use for tomorrow. So after that, after my uh, English English exercise time, I'm going to, I expect to to to, to work for exercise, for exercise my body, because I think my body is too under me. So I have to work up my my body. I'm gonna take a little walk and come back home to go to field. We I For my reporters work, I plan to go to field to work with women who produced shea butter. So we are going to the forest to take she seed for shea butter. After that, I'm going to I have to call a delegate a delegate of of worry to fix and my tomorrow reunion with agriculture and ilver and farmers in general. So that's what I plan for tomorrow. So that's what I plan for tomorrow. So thanks. Bye bye.